Hi guys! Today I'll show you for your PC's brand new charging docking station. First, the front section of this docking station features 3 charging ports. Then the front section is equipped with 3 10 gigabits per second data transfer ports. This is the AC port, Ethernet port, 2 HDMI 4K ports, 1 USB-A port. Considering the experience of global users, we have specially prepared AC fast charge cables with 4 different plugs. Each cable has a length of 1.5 meters. I really like this high-quality cable design. When this campaign is over, each product pledged will come with an AC cable with a freely selectable plug. Now let's test the real-time charging display. This docking station can charge up to 4 devices at the same time, providing up to a total of 160 watt of power. The real-time charging power of each port is shown on the display. It is fantastic! This switch toggles from real-time power display to real-time resolution display. Long press to turn off the monitor. Now let's test the dual 4K displays. That's all. Thanks for watching.